Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that there are a lot of transactions happening around us every day. After this transaction is identified, it is first recorded in a chronological form in the primary account books that is called journal book. This transaction is later transferred to ledger by its classification. Ledger is also called the king of all books. So, in this video, we will learn the necessity and the importance of ledger. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. Necessity and the importance of ledger. Ledger is one of the most important accounting books. It is a permanent repository for all types of transactions. The importance of the ledger is enormous. The importance and necessity of a ledger are discussed below. 1. The transactions are recorded in the ledger on a permanent basis. As a result, any accounting-related information is readily available from the ledger. 2. With the help of the ledger, the mathematical accuracy of calculations can be easily verified. 3. With the help of the ledger, the total amount owed to the individual and the organization can easily be known. 4. It is easy to calculate the income, expenditure, and profit and loss of a business organization. 5. Ledger plays an important role in the prevention of fraud and falsehood. 6. With the help of ledger, it is possible to maintain a complete account of the organization according to the double-entry accounting system. 7. The financial statement shall be prepared with information from ledger. 8. It helps to make any decision of the business organization since all information about ledger is available in a systematic way. I think you have learned about the necessity and the importance of ledger. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.